Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get the SWIFT code of the Union Bank of India. For that, first of all, you need to come here on the official website of unionbankofindia.bank.in. Once you are here, simply just use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, when you search for the SWIFT code, it is going to show you some of the articles which are relating to the SWIFT code. So you will have to go through those articles and try to find the SWIFT code as per your own details or as per on your own region. Now, if this method doesn't work for you, you can just simply click on the contact us option that is given here on the top. This is going to redirect you here on this page where you can basically call them on these given toll-free numbers. You can also use their emails and you can just mail them to get the SWIFT code as per your own region. If this method doesn't work for you, you are in a hurry and you want to get the SWIFT code immediately, you can just simply come here on bank.codes. Over here, first of all, select the country, which in our case is India. After that, select the bank account, which in our case is the Union Bank of India. So here, if I search for the Union Bank, you will find it over here. Then simply select the city, and as per the information that you have added here, it is going to show you the SWIFT code. Now you can take this SWIFT code and use it to make the international transactions. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.